Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve get sample question for engineering mathematics 2022. From today we start probability and statistics. So first question, in two pair coin are tossed simultaneously and getting head in success. Find the probability distribution. So at first here is x is the number of heads. X is counting number of heads. So these are 0, 1, 2. And Px is probability or possible outcomes values. So these are, we should calculate this one. So now here P of x 0 when, so it is probability of number of heads come. Okay, so this one is equal to n of a divide n of s. So n of s is total number of sample space, so that is equal to 1 by 4. Now P of x1, x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 means exactly 1 head. So it is n of a divide n of s. That is equal to 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now P of n, x is equals to 2. So that is equal to n of a by n of s. So it is number of cases, so it is 1, and total number of sample spaces, so it is equal to 4. So n of x2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now put down. So here total probability of all outcomes is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So this is finally, this one is called as, this arrangement is called as probability distribution. So it is our required solution. So this is the whole solution of question 1. Now moving to question 2. Question 2 tells us that is a machine produce 0, 1, 2 defective pieces in a day with associate probability of 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 6 respectively. Then mean value and the variance of the number of defective pieces produced by 4 options are given. So it is also a get sample question, and question is from in the house of probability. So here we calculate let us calculate E of x is equal to summation of x px. So px is possible outcomes. So here x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Possible outcomes is 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 6. 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 6. Okay. So now put it down. Here 0 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 1. So mu is equal to E of x, that is equal to 1. So E of x is the expectations of x. So it is also mean. So our mean is 1. Now E expectation x square, that is equal to summation of x square px. So this one is equals to, we may write 0 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So that is equal to 4 by 3. So now variance is equal to what? Variance is equal to x, that is equal to, we may say, ex square minus ex whole square. So that is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1, so is equals to 1 by 3. So we reached our variance is equal to, mean is equal to 1 and variance is equal to 1 by 3. So our final option is 1, 1 by 3. Option A is our correct choice. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.